Hello. I'm sitting here in a beautiful garden in Bangkok, relaxing, listening to birds and to the wind. And I want to share with you a short meditation. So, if you're going to do this, sit down somewhere comfortably, in a chair, or on the floor, or perhaps even on your bed, and close your eyes and start to breathe. Breathe gently into the pit of your stomach to the count of 4. So breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue to do this for a little while until you start to relax. Feel how your body gently relaxes, how your whole being is settling. And now ask for the blue flame of Archangel Michael to surround you and to create a lovely blue bubble around you. And continue to breathe gently and to relax, feeling all your worries, all your tension slowly fade away into the background and then even out of your background. And as you relax, you find yourself on a beach, barefoot on the sand. You're walking on this beach, feeling the water, the salt water. It is nice and warm, and you relax even more. This is a very long beach, a very long, beautiful, golden color beach. And you walk on it, and you feel how your toes disappear into the sand and come out again. You hear the swoosh of the water and the toes. And perhaps in the background you also hear some other noises which are just part of this world. And you arrive at the end of the beach and sit on a rock. It's comfortable. The sun is shining, but not too warm. And you look out over the sea and at the clouds. And look at the clouds. Look at what they form. What can you see in those clouds? Are they moving fast? Are they moving slow? Just gaze and concentrate on the clouds and continue to breathe. And watch those clouds. What color are they? White or gray? Or are they blue or pink? Lose yourself in the clouds like the airplane that you're hearing overhead, go higher and go and look inside the cloud. And as the noise abates, so you calm down and you go deeper into yourself, deep into that source of strength that is you, and deep into that peace that is at the core of your strength. And breathe. And continue to breathe and connect with your core. And after a while, take one deeper breath and come back into your body. And ground yourself and open your eyes. And know that if you do this meditation regularly, even if there is noise around you, you can find the depth of yourself. You can find this peace, this strength that is always with you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.